If you have been trying to improve your life but still feel weighed down, confused, or stuck, you are not alone. Many people struggle to find clarity and alignment even when they are putting in their best effort. The truth is, it is not always about trying harder. Sometimes it is about resetting what is happening inside. The 8-week manifestation code was created for exactly this reason. It is not about hyped-up promises or forcing positivity. Instead, it offers a calm, step-by-step approach designed to realign your mindset, emotions, and daily habits. When you focus on resetting internally, life starts to feel clearer and lighter, allowing you to move forward with greater ease. Each week in the 8-week manifestation code focuses on one internal shift. You will explore a single theme in practice, making the process simple and achievable. As you progress, you are guided gently through manageable changes, helping you build a strong foundation for lasting transformation. This is not about shortcuts, it is about creating real alignment from within. As you move through the program, you might notice your thoughts slowing down, your energy improving, and money stress becoming easier to manage. Relationships may feel healthier, and making decisions can start to feel more natural. Life does not suddenly become perfect, but you become more aligned, centered, and clear. These shifts come from within, supporting you in every area of your life. If you are ready to stop starting over and truly move forward with clarity, the 8-week manifestation code is here to support you. Find a sense of calm, renewed energy, and authentic alignment. You can discover more through the link in the description.